Answer. Okay. Close your eyes. So, this is the relationship healing with your relative. Bring into awareness any relative that you are looking to heal right now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and gently exhale. Let go of any physical, mental tension, heaviness, or any energies which is not contributing to you. Just let go each and every energies and allow yourself to relax. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now be aware of the relative you are looking to heal. Visualize them clearly in front of you. Reflect of your connection and your relationship with him or her. It could be the relationship you have struggled, any kind of misunderstanding that you may have faced, any kind of conflict that have arisen, or it could also be a harmonious relationship that you have shared. Just be aware of any specific situation or experience that have existed between both of you. Just allow these emotions to surface. Any emotions of frustration, disappointment, guilt, or even love, gratitude, anger, hurt, whatever it is, just acknowledge all of these emotions without any judgment and know that you are also the part of each and every emotions and this experience. Take a deep breath and release all the tension. Release all these emotions as you create space for healing. Now, in all these situations, be aware of your responsibility and your role. It might be that you are not responsible for that situation or everything that has happened between both of you, but you acknowledge the small role or part that you have played into this situation or experience. You realize it as your responsibility and slowly repeats in your mind, I take full responsibility of my emotions. I release the blame and I choose healing for myself and our relationship. Feel the sense of empowerment as you acknowledge your responsibility in this situation. With each breath, just let go of all the lingering blame, guilt, hurt, pain, anger, resentment. Just let all of these feelings go. Make room for love and understanding. And slowly, as you acknowledge all these feelings and experiences, repeat in your mind with your heart, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry for any misunderstandings, any hurt, or any tension that has existed between us and hampered our relationship. I'm sorry for the ways I may have let my own emotions, fears, judgment affect our relationship. Please forgive me for any conscious or unconscious actions that may have caused hurt to you, pain to you. Please forgive me for holding this long standing grudges, resentment from the past, or any kind of expectations that I may have with you. That has been the core in this relationship. Thank you for being the part of my family. Thank you for all the lessons that you have taught me about life. Thank you for all the experiences that you have brought into my life and the lessons that I have learned from it. Thank you for all the moments that you have shared with me through challenging times and of all the love that is always present between us. I love you as you are, without any judgment. I release all the judgments that have existed between us. And now 5 times repeat after me in your mind. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you repeat these phrases, just imagine soft white light is coming from the universe and it is surrounding both of you, filling your heart with love and understanding and dissolving any kind of unresolved emotions that has existed between you and your relationship with them. Just release all the tension, hurt, misunderstanding, guilt through this light and imagine the connection between you is becoming lighter and filled with love and compassion. Any specific memories that have arisen right now, just imagine this light to pass through it as it releases all the guilt, resentment, fear, anger, hatred, hurt. Just pass all this light to pass through these emotions and imagine it dissolving it. Now again repeat for 5 times. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you do this, just imagine the face of your relatives, her eyes. Look into their eyes and just see the smile. The smile is becoming brighter and brighter, and you are smiling back as you are freeing yourself from all the negative emotions. Release and let go. Now release the image of your relative, knowing that this healing will continue even after you release the image that you have created in front of you. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, feel the sense of peace and contentment that is settling within you. One more time, inhale slowly and exhale. Now place your hands on your heart and thank to yourself for this healing. You recognize your courage and taking the responsibility for this healing to exist. Smile for yourself and say thank you. Take your name for healing this relationship and slowly come back. Come back to your surroundings, come back to your body, come back and be aware of each and every things in your physical world. Slowly, whenever you're ready, open your eyes with a smile.